So my name's Sam Nolan and I'm going to teach you a module called Foundations of Physics in the first term. The aims of this module are really to introduce you to basic physics concepts, both theory and experiment, to tune your laboratory skills, to improve your problem solving, and to help in writing things such as scientific reports. This module is taken by students on physics, chemistry, computer science, engineering, geology and maths routes, and it involves 4 hours of teaching per week with about the same amount of time spent at home. Class time is split 50% on theory and 50% on practical experiments. The basics of the course are the basics of physics basically: energy, work, force and power. We'll look at waves and how energy transfers from point to point. We'll look at electricity and how it flows in circuits. We'll look at thermal physics and how heat transfers from place to place. And we'll end the module by looking at particles and radiation, and in particular the weird world of quantum physics. In the experimental section of the course, I'm going to spend quite an amount of time looking at how electricity flows in circuits, and you'll get the chance to build several circuits and investigate properties like electrical resistance. We'll then spend a couple of weeks looking at optics-based experiments on the reflection of light in a plane mirror and the bending of light by glass. We'll investigate how the acceleration due to gravity is measured with a pendulum. We'll look at how springs stretch with Hooke's law before looking at the elasticity of other materials in a lab session focused on Young's modulus. Out of the lab sessions you'll learn how to write a report and also how to keep a weekly lab book. The assessment for this course is about 20% of the module mark is based on a weekly homework portfolio. There'll be 2 lab reports worth 15% each based on the lab experiments we do in class, and a January exam of physics problems which will constitute 50% of the module mark. We'll cover a lot of interesting topics in this course, and I'd like to talk now about one of those: quantum physics.